Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, going over our intraday swing and long perspective as we're leading to tomorrow's ADP non-farm employment, 1 hour and 15 minutes before market open. Again, overall, as we are testing our 0.786 fib, what exactly should we expect from here? Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news that you want to be watching, again, major breakouts like we had today with BFRG. As you guys can see here on BFRG from pre-market, we mentioned at 5:02 a.m. in pre-market was at about $5.50, almost ran 100% on the day, jumping all the way up to $9.50, $9.49 actually on the day. A major run that we had in the Instabills room from pre-market news. This is the type of news that we mentioned in the Instabills room. Any major data set or pre-market news, again, go to instabills.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the spot with you guys here, looking at our intraday perspective off the bat, again, looking at our daily candle structure so we can anticipate what we're looking for going into the next day here. Again, mentioning yesterday, looking for a possible rejection as we were testing our prior balance, again, from our pullback that we had, again, from our Gravestone Doji continuing on below our 20-day moving average, and we have been on a pullback since then. Now looking to see if we can hold our 0.786 fib to continue on higher above into higher highs from today, or possibly, in my opinion, continue on lower as we do definitely need to retest our 20-day moving average if we are going to cross back above our 50-day moving average, which seems more likely than not at this point in time, but very much looking to see how we hold leading into next Wednesday's CPI and Fed minutes will be the watch. Again, will we have a pullback? And again, with that possible anticipation on anything that can happen within Fed minutes, we do have a possible pullback, and then we do get that possible bullish candle structure jumping above our 0.786 fib. Maybe we do have a possible pullback here. We get a possible major wick to the downside. We do close on a hammer candle to the upside. That would be that bullish candle structure. Also short-term intraday to possibly play into this continuation higher. So again, very much looking to see how we do respect our 20 crossing back above our 50. If we do not cross above our 50-day moving average, then we are going to continue on lower here. So again, if we do not cross back above our 50, we can continue on with a possible false break, but very much, in my opinion, looking to see how we respect our 20 if we do cross it back above our 50. Will we get a possible false break to the upside? As again, overall on the monthly chart, we are testing our monthly chart, which I'm going to go over in a second, but looking into our weekly chart as we look at our swing perspective, will we continue on with this momentum? What will give us confirmation on the weekly chart, in my opinion, will be if we do get that bullish candle structure set up here as we do now jump above our 20 weekly moving average from last week. Again, we had a major spike dropping below our 20 and our 50 weekly moving average. We were looking for that possible bounce back. Sure enough, got that bounce back, jumps back above our 50 moving average, and then last week, jumping back above our 20 weekly moving average, now sitting on a doji candle, looking to see if we will possibly flag here intraday, or if we will possibly continue on with the rejection. In my opinion, we definitely still do need to retest our 20 weekly moving average if we are going to get that bullish candle structure set up to have that major spike above our prior balance. Again, that is the watch. Again, overall, our anticipation will be leading into next Wednesday's Fed minutes and CPI. And again, on the monthly chart, as we look for confirmation on the weekly chart to possibly continue on higher, what we have to consider here is how this candle may close. Again, we're in the beginning of this candle. We are testing our 20-month moving average, and now we are testing our prior candle's high here, looking to see if we will hold this level. And if we do not, we will possibly have a short-term pullback, and looking to see how this candle closes on the month will be key. Looking to see if we can close above our 20-month moving average will be on the watch. Now, what I will say about our long-term perspective that has changed, again, we have not had our 12 curling up here for the last couple weeks, and now we have had our 12 curling up here, looking to see if we can possibly curl back above our 26 EMA here on our MACD. That is the watch to possibly get that confidence on that long-term momentum. Again, only as long as we do hold with our 12 above our 26, then we will continue on with that bullish momentum. However, at this point in time, very much just curling, looking to see if we will continue to curl here will be the watch. And in my opinion, if we get that confirmation on the daily chart above our prior balance, we could possibly cross higher here. That will be the watch long term. We will see if we get that confirmation. Again, recapping on our intraday perspective, again, as we retest our 0.786 fib at 407.41, looking to see if we can hold. In my opinion, if we do possibly have a bounce again going into tomorrow into open or possibly pre-market, and we possibly have a spike into open, for example, in my opinion, if we get any bearish candle set up below, again, our 0.786 fib here at 407.41, then in my opinion, we can continue on lower, and that would be that room to run to the downside from our prior gap up that we had after our Dragonfly Doji candle here. So again, that is our intraday watch. That's what we're watching out for, making sure that we were cautious leading into our prior balance yesterday is exactly what we mentioned, and a very nice pullback if you guys did play that today. But again, overall, our watch, in my opinion, that larger reaction move will be when we do retest our 20. If we get that possible bullish candle structure set up as we cross above our 50, that will be that clean major move, in my opinion, if we're looking for confirmation. Now, again, with that said, as we look for what may be happening next here in the market every single day here on the channel, we look for very similar things in the Instables room, looking for pre-market news that you want to be watching for possible setups, looking for data sets that you want to be watching throughout the day. Go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, I appreciate everybody that has been supporting the channel once again. Much love to every one of you guys. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.